Ay, ano ba ito? Yung nagplano kayong umalis. Ano pagkatapos naligo, naghiga-higa lang ato lang ginawa.
Beef cubes.
Wait, I get the beef. I defrost.
You said beef cubes. You put it on your list.
I'll drive. Go away. Go away. Pagkagahig ulo, jud eh. Gahig kay kag uluhan. Hard head, han?
What?
You're a hard head. Yes. Layas daw ko na grocery talaga. Eh, kapag off talaga ni Mr. No, grocery talaga ang katapat. Ha?
You need me there.
Do I need you?
Do you even have an app for this garages anymore?
What garage? Hala, it's not on.
So you're gonna need that. I'm leaving tomorrow at 4 o'clock in the morning. You won't be able to get a garage.
I'm not going nowhere.
Okay.
So,
It's on you.
So every time na lang mga loves, why you like grocerying, Han? Han? Why you like to do grocery?
I don't particularly like to do grocery.
You do, Han. Even people know you like buying stuff, food, this, that, that. No? Kailangan talaga niyang bumili mga loves ng mga grocery. Hindi ko talaga mag-gets kung bakit.
Who's cheap is that? Who's cheap is that? It's been there for like when I roll it out my office. It's very weird.
How much you bill, Roger? That's a lot. Did you charge him with extra hour? Pain.
I charged him extra for a couple of days. I didn't charge him extra for the day I took over Stevie because he was being there till like 8:30 at night. So
you didn't charge him with that?
I charged him for being there for the day, but I didn't charge him extra because technically I could have charged him extra to mine for that day. But I figured, I was supposed to be Stevie was supposed to be here all day. And then
ako sana yung mag-grocery ngayon mga loves dahil sumama siya, hindi ko feel pumasok sa tindahan, no? Kasi nga, maluluka ako kapag kasama siya sa grocery at alam nyo na yun. So, yun. So, sabi ko sa kanya, Han, you go inside and I will edit. So, kaya hindi ako sumama, nag-edit na lang ako sa sakyan, no? Para meron naman ako magawa at matapos aking trabaho. So, yun, siya lang mag-isa at gusto naman din niya, walang maingay. More bag? You buy more bag?
yeah, we'll see we running low. I don't understand why we had like 100.
Why we're not running low? You just don't carry. Yeah, you just don't carry.
Yeah, they start carrying this bread.
You know that's
Something rainbow.
okay. It's over there. So yun, ang bilis ni Taming na grocery. Madali lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung binili na yan, pero tanungin natin siya mga darling.
Let's see. I got
bread.
your beef, but I didn't get a beef cube.
Wait, I get the beef. I defrost.
You said beef cubes. You put it on your list. Check your text.
Cubes.
Yeah, beef cubes.
Yes, you don't do buy meat, right?
I did. I bought the beef, but I didn't get the cube because this is better quality and you just cut it. It's like
beef cube nor seasoning. Go ahead.
That's not what it said. You want to go back in?
No, go. Let's go.
So now you don't have the seasoning. Look at your text.
Oh my God.
I said there's beef cube.
I defrost some beef.
Okay.
So now I guess I have to put it in the freezer and then I'll use the one that. Oh my God.
No, you defrosted, so you got to use that.
So my text was wrong.
I don't know. I said beef cube.
I should do no, right? No cubes.
I have no idea. Yeah, bouillon.
Yeah, bouillon. I should say that instead of like okay, go now. I know.
Beef
I remember.
Cube.
Go.
No, so you remember now. It wasn't my fault.
No, it's not your fault.
It's my fault. Beef cube is like a bouillon.
No, eh? Look what happened now. You think General have it? They don't have it.
Dollar General?
Yeah.
They probably do. So, my bag was killing me in the store. And I was really pissed off because I stood at the fish counter for 10 minutes. The guy never came out of the back. Like just kept his back to me the whole time. Other employees look at you think one of them would say, oh, let me go back and get a guy for you. 10 minutes because I wanted to get,
what did you get?
I wanted to get the salmon. Never came out. So finally I had to just leave.
Don't get any salmon. You know I'm very bad at eating.
I wanted to get the wild caught salmon. You can't get that in the pre-pack.
So they don't really even look at you?
Nope. And how many employees walk by? You know, it used to be like employees go, oh, you waiting for somebody? Yeah, let me go back there and see if I can tell them you're out here. Something.
So yung asawa ko, Gallard, may iba talagang yung mga employee
day, get our paycheck, and get the hell out.
Yep, look, you still have your
I really want that shed.
And that's cost probably 50,000.
No.
Yes, hon. The small one cost 10,000. How much more that? It's more than big.
I really like that.
Gustong gusto talaga niya yan. Where are you gonna put it? Just... So, dito tayo. Naghanap ako dito. Kung asan yung boyon. Wala man silang boyon. Nor cubes. Mahala dito, eh. Deep boyon cubes. Mahal man, $3. Grabe, ang mahal. $3. Mahal mga loves. Sobrang mahal. Wala silang ano, yung box ba? Naghanap ako ng box, kaso wala.
This is the little one I got last time.
Mm-hmm.
So it was $5 off.
Seriously?
Yeah.
$5? This is bigger.
Yeah, this was $4.99. It's regularly $9.99. The little one cost
Hello?
$4.99 last time.
Oh, really? Wow, this is looks nicer. Hala, you got a lot of chicken, hon. Yeah. And you want garlic? You don't even buy a thing. Oh, this is for your sandwich?
I don't know. I just got it because I have it.
Yeah, but so
And
this is what we use
They now have a rack for those, so they must be getting regularly delivered in the Bronx.
This is where we get the, what is that? How do you call that? Garlic bread?
Yeah.
Okay. No, eh? Hala, why a lot of bell pepper, hon? I just said you can buy 2 or 1. Oh my god. Hala, eh? What is this?
Teriyaki.
Oh my god. Why you get a teriyaki suddenly? Boy, get down, boy.
It was a highly favorite.
Yeah, I know. I noticed that. Habs.
Your beef.
No, wait, I'm gonna put that in the thing. We have to use the machine now.
What machine?
I'm not cooking that. I'm gonna cook the one I defrost. Hala.
I'm ready. I know you got something for my mouth. Let's do it. Come on. I know you didn't come home without something for my belly.
Han, can you put that in the machine? Han, can I get the machine up here?
Yeah, is the machine up here? Or
No, it's downstairs.
Okay, well then you're gonna have to take some of these.
Which one I need to go down? The milk should be here. Look, grabe makabili mga labs, ang dami oh. Pero kakainin natin. Kakainin natin. So ito, na-try ko na to siya, sobrang spicy. That's spicy. And what is this clearer, Han? They put a lot of salt, honey.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Yeah, but they're tasty.
No, you don't like salt, and then suddenly you want.
No, I don't. Salt and vinegar, I think you like it. Salt and vinegar.
Very salty. Not really. I don't want to eat that. Hun?
Keep an eye and make sure they don't steal Ham's food. I put this in the refrigerator.
I try one each. This is the one with the sauce.
You don't watch it.
It's spicy.
You don't watch it. Which one's the one that doesn't have salt in it?
They're all salty. This one is good. This one. They're all good, but this is good spicy. Last one. Okay.
They're tasty.
It's really good. This is good if pulutan. Drinking time. Okay. Ay, ano ba ito? Yung nagplano kayong umalis, ano pagkatapos naligo, naghiga-higa lang ato lang ginawa. Ako, tapos na ako lahat-lahat. Siya andyan pa rin, hindi pa nakabihis. O, diba? Ganyan yung buhay, mga loves. Ako yung tagahintay talaga ng 2 oras. 3 oras. Iwan ko lang si Batman. Busy sa cellphone. Traffic dito,
I really
mga
like the
darling.
one that was out here during the winter. That was a Formula. That was a high-speed race boat. Well, that was like 30,000. This is only 6.
Oh my God, tinawagan kami guys sa aming tax, no? 'Di ba nagkautang meron kaming babayaran sa tax namin na 15 sa 2022 na tax. And then ngayon, last year na tax 2023, another 10,000. Tommy is broke. He spent all the money and well, actually, did you save, Han, for tax?
I'm not an idiot.
Yeah. So, yun. Nag-save siya para sa tax daw, o diba? Ang expectation ko, mga love, sa akin, akala ko 40. Akala ko 40,000 sa akin lang, pero no, I was wrong. But I'm still thankful na na hindi siya. Sa aming dalawa na ha, 15 and then plus yung penalty because that was few years ago, and then last year is 10. There's no penalty, honey, in 2022? Or we get penalty because it's late?
There'll be penalties.
Huh?
There'll be penalties.
Yeah. So another penalty. So na maluka si Tami talaga. Magkaano yan sa piso? Ang laki-laki sa piso niyan ba? Ay. Makabili na tayo ng malaking lupa. Mga...
The sunlight took a little shot there, didn't it?
Ha?
The sunlight took a little shot.
Why is it so hot, Han?
Because you don't have the AC on.
Very hot. So mag-return lang kami, mga love, sa aming mga na-order, Tammy's order. So mag-return kami and ito. Look. So sa calls kami mag-return. Ang napakaganda talaga dito kasi kapag may mga mali-mali na order, hindi ka sa bakit nag-order ka kasi ng mali-mali. Sa Pilipinas aawayin ka pa kasi nag-return ka, o di ba? Kahit yung bread is sa Pilipinas ba, kahit bibili ka ng bread and then mold na pala pagdating mo sa bahay, hindi mo na realize ba, and then mold na, pagalitan ka kasi ikaw yung katanga-tanga. Dito hindi, sa uli mo daw tatanggapin pa rin nila. Look, traffic, mga darling. We go this way. We go straight all the way. Come on. Tami. So, dito na naman kami. Pero si Tami, tingin ng tingin. Oh, gusto ko to, Han. Look. Honey. Han, did I say for you? Lang sapatos. Oh, seriously, we have knives here.
Oh, these are light duty.
Yeah, we have a knife over there. We don't even use it. We have a lot of things here that I like in the kitchen. Look. Ito na, nag-start na si Dudong Tami. Tingin. At ako naman, mga labs, kinakabahan na talaga ako dito. Kasi nga talaga alam nyo naman itong asawa ko. No, paminsan, siya, impulsive. Ang impulsive. Basta kung sa Bisaya, pa magpataka na siya palit, no? Niya ako naman, niya grabe kay kasabaan, sabi ko sa kanya, uli na dong, ayaw na taon sila pagpalit, ay nagpili-pili, kabalo man ko na ang dami-dami pa natin doon, tayo lang dalawa, at ang daming nating plato, at ang dami nating kaldero, ilan ba? Tayo lang naman dalawa, ano pa? Nandito na naman siya, meron siyang tinitignan, yung pang-sealed ng karne para protection ba? Meron kaya bago galing Amazon at saka grilling daw, mahilig naman ito sa grilling, at dito na naman siya, iwan ko kung ano ito mga darling, no? Uy, ano to, hala? Adoy, gusto daw niya ng neat mga lab sa pultahan. Adoy, sabi ko, sige, para naman makalabas yung pusa mo. O, diba, i-open daw niya yung para, iwan ko lang si Tami. O, meron daw siya ditong bangko. Sabi pa niya, may magkaano kaya ito? Parang kasya ako. Sabi ko, hindi ka magkasya dong matumba. Mabali. Adoy, gusto na naman niya ng towel, mga loves. Sabi ko, uy, virawang yan. Mahal yan dong, mahal. Sabi niya, hala, ang ganda daw sa feel. So, hindi mirian nakapaghintay, mga loves. So binabantayan ko na lang talaga. Kasi sabi ko talaga, wag naman dong. Parang ano na lang yung naisip mo dong. Ano ba yung mga pinagtitingin-tingin mo dyan dong? Basurahan man ata yan dong. Sabi ko sa kanya, let's go na Tami, please. We have to get out. Kasi tapos na kaming nagbalik ng mga gamit galing Amazon. O diba, ginuyod ko na. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. So, meron akong naalala nito, mga labs, kasi sila Tami, maraming ganyan, mga labs. Hindi, isa lang at saka daming records. Ang daming records at mayroong ganyan. Hindi namin ginagamit. Tinutuklod ko na nga ito. Honey, they have to. Come on. Come on, let's go.
Doesn't fight for it.
Come on. They don't do that. They don't know how to fight. No. tent. It's a dog tent. Come on, let's go. Finally. Sus, munti ka na akong heart attack doon. Buti na lang wala siyang nabitbit. Pero pagkatapos namin doon, kita nyo naman bagong haircut si Dodong Tami. Ay, ang laking pasalamat ko talaga ngayong araw. Pero pasensya na kayo, malaki ang pasasalamat ko. Pero ito, ang daming utang namin. At pag uwi namin sa bahay talaga mga loves dito, si Mirian naglilinis, no? Kasi kailangan maglinis. At si Dodong Tami, ayaw ko talaga siyang palihukin sa balay. Kasi talagang maghalhal man yan mga loves. At saka ako man yung naawa sa asawa ko, no? Kasi nga alam nyo naman yan, mataas-taas ng edad, no? So ako naman na 40 lang, pwede na ako na lang kasi nga kawawa naman yung asawa ko, no? At also, very relaxing ito sa akin and also, magkapiras Inday Mirian. So yun, kung ano yung savings namin dito sa mga gardening na ito, akin savings mga loves, napunta sa akin. So, di ba, makatulong pa ako sa aking mga gastusin sa aking sarili and also, meron pa akong matutulungan doon sa Pilipinas. Yung mga pinakain natin doon, baka magutom, no? Kailangan talaga natin yung pakainin kasi alam na this, no? Napagsabihan pa naman tayo na hindi tayo marunong magbigay. Hoy, nagbigay ako, oh. O, di ba? O, tingnan nyo nan. May trabaho si Inday Mirian. Siya yung nagtrabaho din sa balay. Natapos ko lang sa labas mga loves. Nakakapagod. Asawa na asawa talaga ako mga loves. Ang bait-bait ni Inday Mirian pagkatapos ng lahat-lahat dito gumawa ng garlic bread. Meron tayo ditong garlic at saka parsley at olive oil, no? Maraming olive oil. Inanon lang, ginagrind lang natin yan. At kailangan yung bumili ng dinagdagan ko ng oil kasi parang nakukulangan ako. Bumili kami ng bread at ito na siya. Gumawa po ako ng garlic bread mga loves para sa ating dinner. Look, oh. Garlic bread. Simple lang yan mga loves. Parsley, garlic. And then, i-blend mo lang siya with, ang oil na gagamitin po ninyo is olive oil. And then, yun. Masarap po yung, ito talaga. And then, kailangan mo ng mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese. Wala akong cheddar cheese, so nilagyan ko siya ng mozzarella at saka parmesan. Ayun. Masarap po talaga itong bread na ito, mga loves. No? Malinis po yung kamay ko at sobrang sarap. Han? Do you want to eat now while the food is still hot, this thing? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Sorry. Well, it's up to you. Up to you. Okay, let's finish this. So, yun. Ito yung ating garlic bread. Look, ang sarap. Yum, yum, oy. Where's your water? No. Sarap ng aking garlic bread. Nom nom. She's licking her chops. Da. Hi Rocky. Garlic bread with afritada mga lasang. Sarap siya mga ganito mga lasa.